The best healthy foods to gain weight fast. Drinking homemade protein smoothies can be a highly nutritious and quick way to gain weight. Making your own smoothies is the best way since commercial versions are often full of sugar and lack nutrients. It also gives you full control over the flavor and nutrient content. Here are just a few tasty variations you can try. You can combine each with 2 cups, 470 milliliters, of dairy milk or soy milk if you have lactose intolerance. Both have more nutrients and calories than other alternative milks. Chocolate banana nut shake. Combine 1 banana, 1 scoop of chocolate whey protein, and 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of peanut or another nut butter. Vanilla berry shake. Combine 1 cup, 237 milliliters, of fresh or frozen mixed berries, ice, 1 cup, 237 milliliters, of high protein, full fat Greek yogurt, and 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein. Chocolate hazelnut shake. Combine 15 ounces, 444 milliliters, of chocolate milk with 1 scoop of chocolate whey protein, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of hazelnut butter, and 1 avocado. Caramel apple shake. Combine 1 sliced apple, 1 cup, 237 milliliters, of full fat Greek yogurt, 1 scoop of caramel or vanilla flavored whey protein, and 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of sugar-free caramel sauce or flavoring. Vanilla blueberry shake. Combine 1 cup, 237 milliliters, of fresh or frozen blueberries, 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein, 1 cup, 237 milliliters, of vanilla Greek yogurt, and sweetener if needed.